Okay, task 10 is all about creating CAD geometry. So, the first part of the task is making shapes. These are sets of coordinates, the red dots are the coordinates, and the sets of coordinates are joined together with an edge. And the edge you can specify as splines, like these two at the top, or straight lines, like these two at the bottom, or circles, or a mixture. After you've got your face, you then perform a rotation or an extrusion, like the two on the right, on the face. You can then do Boolean operations to make more complicated shapes, like union, intersect, or cut. Now, sometimes figuring out the coordinates of components is a little tricky, so we have also provided wrapped shapes called components. And these components will take parameters. They will internally find the coordinates, and then they will make the appropriate connections between those coordinates. So in the workshop, you're going to make a simple PF magnet, a simple TF magnet, and a center column shield. You can also do Boolean operations on these to cut them and make them more complicated if you want. By the last task in the workshop, you're going to make a whole reactor. This is a combination of shapes and components and requires quite a few input parameters, but you can make quite a detailed geometry as a result. So the first task, you make 4 different components, parametric components, and shapes as well. And then you combine these components or shapes into a reactor object. So this is a reactor object, and these are the shapes or components we've just made as a list. And this is the final result of the last part of the task, where you make a parametric reactor. So let's run the workshop and have a look at this task quickly. The nice thing about using Jupyter Notebooks for this task is that you end up with a 3D interactive rotatable object that you can zoom in and explore. So, good luck with the task. Thanks for listening. Bye.